Hi, Namaskar. My name is Vikram Arora. I am a student of Mrs. Kavita Mehta, a former student, well, student for life, actually. So I was in St. Mark's under the tutelage of Mrs. Kavita Mehta and a host of wonderful teachers in the school. I was one of the folks who passed out in the first batch of St. Mark's School, Mirabag, and in fact was the first outgoing head boy of the school. For the past, I don't know, more than a decade, I've been in the US. I work out of New York City. I worked in quite a few financial firms. I work as a program manager here, and I could be doing anything in the world, but there are certain values, certain principles that were imbibed in me uh, way back when I was in St. Mark's, and a huge amount of credit for that and for my success, if I may say it, actually goes to Mrs. Kavita Mehta. She has been a wonderful, not just a teacher, but a steward of the education system. What I really mean is that she has been responsible for not just helping me and other students, in English grammar and English language and what have you, but in instilling a lot of positive values and principles in each one of us. And speaking of myself, I can very confidently say that she has played a major role in helping me shape up what I am today, and I am hugely indebted to her. So Mrs. Kavita Mehta, thank you very much, ma'am. You are like a mother to me, as I have often said, and you already know. uh, and I wish you all the very best, all the very huge amount of success that you truly deserve in your new venture. I'm sure you will keep scaling new heights and helping a lot of other kids like the way I was once, and you helped me, and you have since helped me so many times. And I really hope that all the kids who come under your wings actually get all that benefit that I got, and they emerge successful. So all my very best to you, as well as to all the kids who will come under your coaching in the English language as well as in life. Thank you very much. God bless you.